Alright, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to deal with harsh vocals. The harsh vocals normally become anywhere between 2K and 5K kilohertz. So you wanna make sure you controlling that. And we're gonna use a dynamic EQ to do that. If you listen to it, you're gonna be able to hear between that 2 and 5K kilohertz where it's a little bit too much going on.
Grew up on the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's fall off, but still got goals. They ain't with the
See, it's a little bit too much going on. So we're gonna bring up a dynamic EQ. I like to use the C4, and we just gonna tame some of that harshness real quick, around 2 to 3 kilohertz. So what I normally do is I bring this back to like around 2 kilohertz. Then I bring this one back to around 4 kilohertz. And then we can just bypass all these other ones because we just mainly trying to tame that harshness right there.
grew up on the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's fall off, but still got goals. They ain't with the skinny jeans, still got baggy denim. He 50, still hustling, you can't tell him nothing. Yeah, remember shooting dice on a porch with my last 5. Yeah, mama working doubles trying to feed all 5.
And you see how you can hear the difference? I'm gonna play it without it, and then I'm gonna play it with it. So this without it.
Grew up on the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's fall off, but still got goals. They ain't with the skinny jeans, still got baggy denim.
So that's without it, and this with it.
Grew up on the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's fall off, but still got goals. They ain't with the skinny jeans, still got baggy denim. Yeah, he 50, still hustling, you can't tell him.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So if you really listening in the headphones or even on some speakers, you can really hear the difference between that 2K to 4K kilohertz range. It's more controlled when we got the dynamic EQ on it. Now I'm gonna show you how to add width to y'all vocals without losing that power and without losing the main center of the vocals. What we'll do, I like to use this plug-in called a center. Throw the center plug-in on the vocals. The lower frequency of the vocals, we're gonna leave that center. So we're gonna bring this to the left. We're gonna bring this to the left some, maybe about 35. And then the highs, we're gonna bring the highs to the side just a little bit, like about, we're gonna do like 70. And on a punch, we're gonna do like 60. So now I'm gonna play it without it, and then I'm gonna play it with it. This without it.
Grew up on the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's fall off, but still got goals. They ain't with the skinny jeans, still got baggy denim.
All right, now this with it.
Grew up on the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's fall off, but still got goals. They ain't with the skinny jeans, still got baggy denim.
If you got your headphones on or if you listen to it in some speakers, you can really hear the difference. It's a little subtle difference, but it make a big difference, especially on the final mix. It make your song sound more bigger, more industry ready, more radio ready. You just having the high end of your vocal, just the top sparkle of your vocal just spread a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. And it just make it pop a little more. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, say man, you feel?